everyone, I'm Leona Chin, Malaysian motorsport athlete, and I do travel logs, video logs and motorsport videos. Today is a media drive for Mitsubishi Outlander 2.0, and as you can see, we are in a car park which is situated at Shah Alam next to the go-kart track over there for a drive testing experience. So we're going to go through the four-wheel drive system, and there's a slippery road surfaces there. A mini challenge today with the Mitsubishi Outlander. Let's go to the back. We will see what the challenge is later. So they had a challenge today in the morning, and whoever who doesn't make the boxes fall down while doing the maneuver, the course, is considered the winner. Okay, so now we are at Janda Baik, which is situated just after Genting Highlands, and the weather here is a bit rainy. Just had a very heavy rain, but we had lunch inside the chalet in the Purple Cane Tea Cafe. So we are going to leave this area. We had nice lunch here at the Purple Cane Tea Cafe in Janda Baik, and the media is still having some photo shoots with the ASX. I'm going inside the car to chill while the rest of them get into their cars as we prepare to go to Bentong.
Bentong eating ice cream. Janda? Yeah, Janda ice cream.
Yes, we are gonna have some dessert. Famous dessert. Apparently, this is the price tag. I don't know what they're taking photo of. What? Okay. This is the ice kacang machine. Let's see they do ice kacang. Thank you for the ice kacang. Thank you. Okay, so we are here back at the Mitsubishi Motors Malaysia headquarters after the Outlander 2.0 media drive. It was very exciting and I had lots of fun today. So if you like the Outlander, you can get it in affordable price at 139,000 ringgit with so many features safety features, and also the 4-wheel drive selectable modes. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you can follow my Facebook and Instagram at Leona Chin, will be great. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye!